This is the other elevator here at Magma Shops in San Pedro García. It's also a KONE, same as the other one. We're gonna do one right because this goes up to some weird office. These are our apartments, to be honest. So, and here it is. I want to point this down just in case. So yeah, up to 03. It's supposed to say 03, not 00. It's kind of confusing. I think that goes up to the lobby. And you're at 00, which is supposed to be 3. Sorry, I cannot point outside because there's a security guard. So, it's just a nice KONE elevator with the fixtures and the indicator. You're at 1. Pass. Alright, well, there it goes, and that's it.